I'm on my way to buy some ice cream with my husband while editing a YouTube video. There are many 24-hour unmanned stores in Korea. This is a 24-hour ice cream shop. There is no clerk, but it's only operated by CCTV and self-checkout. In addition to ice cream, various beverages, snacks and chocolates are also being displayed. Put the products directly into the basket. Scan the barcode of the products yourself at the self-checkout counter and pay with your credit card. I know that foreigners are curious about Korea's unmanned store system like this. Of course, some people worry that, aren't there people who steal without paying? But most of Koreans use this system well.
카드 또는 현금 버튼을 눌러주세요. IC칩을 위로 향하게 하고 카드를 끝까지 밀어 넣어주세요. 영수증 필요하세요? 결제 완료되었습니다. 가고 있는 뒷자리에 놓아주세요.
We are trying to show you the ordinary daily life of Koreans. Please look forward to the next Life in Korea video. Goodbye, see you again.